So for this week's project, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Canva, where last week you created an interactive image background that should have had week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. You're going to go into Canva and you're going to download that picture as an image file. I usually like JPEGs because they're just smaller. Once you have downloaded that picture onto your computer, you're going to go into your Thinglink account. And I have sent you via email your information for how to get logged in. Once you're logged in, you're going to hit this create button, and you're going to say that you want to create an interactive image based off of an image. Then I'm going to hit the continue button, and it's going to ask me to either drag and drop or upload that picture here. I always prefer to just upload it. I don't know why. Once you do that, you can open it up. I grabbed the wrong picture. Live and learn. So here we go again. I am going to open up this image and I am going to continue to make myself a little interactive Thinglink. So now here's my beautiful background that I can populate with those interactive hotspots that you've seen on our interactive image. Up here on the toolbar, you'll see that it will tell you what all those buttons mean. Most of the ones that you're going to be using would be changing your privacy settings so that everyone can see it. And then you might even want to rename it if you don't like the name of your file. And when it comes time, you're going to edit. Once you get into this editor, you will see that you will be moving all along the left-hand toolbar to add tags. And this is not scary. You can click and undo and redo as much as you want to. I'm going to just show you an example of one to get you started, and then you can watch the tutorial videos that are in the tutorial section for more if you feel a little uncomfortable just clicking about. I know some of you have Thinglink experience, so some of you might be very comfortable with this step. I'm going to go in, I'm going to say I want to add a text hotspot, and I am going to decide what kind of image I want to use. Let's say that I want to sequence you through something. I might use these numbers. I can change the color of them. I can also add different icons like images and videos, and I can even upload my own. You've noticed that I have quite a big library just from having used this for so long. I can add a title, I can add some descriptive text, I can add a URL, I can add text for that button. And then here's where it gets really cool. I can add images and or videos or both. And so I'm just gonna go in here and take some random pictures so that you can see how this works. I'm gonna add an image here, and then I'm gonna add another image here. And maybe I'll even add a video. Now you'll notice that all of these are showing up on the left-hand side of my hotspot. And the thing that's really cool about it is that students too can flip through to see the different things that you would like them to see on a tag. It is not limited to simply one media picture, which is really awesome, especially when you're trying to sequence smaller children through a series of directions. And then finally, one of my favorite things about Thinglink is that I can go in and say I want to upload audio, and when I hit this record button, it's just going to start recording me talk. Blah, 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 blah. When I stop it, it's going to put it on that hotspot. If I decide, ooh, I messed up or I don't like it, I simply remove the audio. And that is as easy as it is to start populating your image with hotspots. That is what you're going to do this week. You're simply going to get your image uploaded into Thinglink, and then you can add hotspots with your projects in them as we go. So for example, on week 1, remember how we did a Canva background? You could add that image as a hotspot. Really, this week, I'm hoping just to get you comfortable in Thinglink and get your image from last week uploaded. And as high-tech as you want to take this, it would be exciting to see you add more, but you are not required to until you feel comfortable doing so. So enjoy and holler if you have any questions.